Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. Are you serious about leveling up your IRS rep practice? Well, come check out our Patreon membership. What this is going to give you for $25 a month is direct message access to me so you can get your burning questions about anything IRS answered. Then, on a monthly basis, I'm going to record a video with the questions and the answers so all the members get the benefit of that. Also, you're going to get special access to my Nutshell series. These are short videos where I give you hints and tips about various hot IRS topics. All right. So if you're serious about really taking your practice to the next level, go check it out. We'd love to have you join the club. It's patreon.com/tax rep network. All right. And I look forward to seeing you in the inner circle.